Hey everyone, let's dive into the VilogaRC RC Plywood Outrigger 600mm wooden airboat model kit. This classic-style racing boat is built from laminated plywood and beautifully finished. It features 2 removable hatch panels for easy access to electronics and swapping batteries. You will also love the lightweight and extremely rigid carbon fiber sponson boom supports. The hull measures 600mm long, 365mm wide, and weighs 850 grams. Multiple combos let you fully customize and DIY your electric-powered boat. Get ready to hit the water and experience high-speed racing action today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.